So today is going to be a big day. It's the big Friday before the swearing in, but that just doesn't come with the relax and the rest. For the National Democratic Alliance, for the meeting in national capital Delhi, there is going to be as much of the arrival of netas that will begin in Delhi. It's the big day for Naya Sarkar. It's the second meeting also of the Naya NDA, the government formation nail-biter. Remember, because this time, while BJP is the single largest party, but they need the coalition and how. And this is what the coalition leaders will be using to try and get their fair share of representation in the government. I want to immediately bring in Abhishek Anand for the latest on that. Abhishek, you know, many may think that over the weekend there's a swearing-in ceremony, so it will be perhaps a sigh of relief. They must be all relaxing. But you tell us what's been happening and why these NDA meetings are not just meet and greet, but a lot more.
Certainly, Pooja, it's a lot more because you see a different kind of meeting has also happened. The key alliance partners, the TDP and JDU and the party of Chirag Paswan, they held a meeting for like a private meeting, not including the BJP members, to discuss the strategy of getting certain portfolios. And also more CMs and more ministers are coming to Delhi across the party lines. So churning is going on. It's not an easy task for the BJP to form a government with, with whatever they want to do, whatever they did during the last government. All the key portfolios were with the BJP, but this time it will be different. This time it will be difficult for the BJP to keep all the portfolios because the bargaining is on. And Nitish Kumar, Pooja, specifically is a big bargainer. He will bargain, and if he is going to be the kingmaker, he will decide the cost.
Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu, the focus will be on both of these leaders and their parties. Abhishek, I'll come back to you in just a short while. Remember, preparation is on. Modi 3.0 government is in full swing, set to return for a historic third term. But hectic parlays are still on because ahead of that cabinet grand swearing in, there has to be a decision taken who all will be a part of that cabinet. Now, because it will not just be Prime Minister Modi, but also union ministers, the new cabinet will also be taking oath on the same day. The NDA led by Prime Minister Modi is scheduled to hold a meeting of the newly elected members of Parliament at the Central Hall of the Parliament today, is what we are told. Remember that NDA unanimously elected Prime Minister Modi as the leader of their group. But this is the time when President has to be approached so that the government formation can be claimed to. But as per sources, TDP, JDU, other NDA allies as well are eyeing cabinet portfolios and plum ones at that. The BJP has asserted that this will be a part of the discussions, but all eventually will be about who gets which portfolio and is that enough.
हम लोग कई बार अपने लिए लक्ष्य इतने बड़े कर लेते हैं कि अगर उसमें हल्की सी भी चूक होती है तो सवाल उठने लगते हैं। हकीकत है ये कोई सामान्य बात नहीं है। आज तीसरी बार लगातार एनडीए को जनादेश मिला है एनडीए के समर्थन में। ये कोई मामूली बात नहीं है। इस उपलब्धि का श्रेय मेरे प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व को ही जाता है और कल एनडीए की बैठक में एक स्वर में बिना किसी शर्त के तमाम एनडीए के घटक दलों ने पुनः तीसरी बार, महज ये एक औपचारिकता थी बट उसको भी हम लोगों ने पूरा किया और उनके नेतृत्व को पुनः हम लोगों ने स्वीकारा है और बहुत जल्द मेरे प्रधानमंत्री जी तीसरी बार देश के प्रधानमंत्री पद की शपथ लेंगे।
कल सभी नवनिर्वाचित सांसदों का, हमारे भाजपा शासित प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्रियों का, उप मुख्यमंत्रियों का और सामान्य प्रदेश अध्यक्षों का बैठक है, जिसमें हम सभी लोग जा रहे हैं। यहाँ से भी, छत्तीसगढ़ से भी हम, हमारे दोनों डिप्टी सीएम, हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी और सभी नवनिर्वाचित सांसद जा रहे हैं।
पार्टी की अलग अलग बैठकें हैं और निश्चित रूप से अब सरकार गठन की प्रक्रिया तेज हो गई है और बहुत जल्दी नरेंद्र मोदी जी तीसरी बार देश के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में शपथ लेंगे। ये हम सब के लिए बड़ी उपलब्धि है।
कल महत्वपूर्ण बैठक है। सभी सांसद और भाजपा शासित प्रदेशों के मुख्यमंत्री, उप मुख्यमंत्री सभी बैठक में जा रहे हैं और परसों नरसों शपथ ग्रहण का कार्यक्रम होना है। तो उसके तब तक के लिए हम सब बड़ी प्रसन्नता के साथ माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी को तीसरी बार देश का प्रधानमंत्री बनते हुए शपथ लेते हुए देखने जा रहे हैं।
ये तो लोकतंत्र है, लोकतंत्र की खूबसूरती है और बिहार और देश में मोदी जी ने फिर से मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में जनता ने भरोसा जताया।